Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 10, leçon S. So let's discover together in this video the preposition en that we'll use to express transportation. So we can start right now. By car, en voiture. En voiture. En voiture. By bus. En autobus. En autobus. En autobus. By boat. En bateau. En bateau. En bateau. By train. En train. En train. En train. By plane. En avion. En avion. En avion. By subway. En métro. En métro. Keep in mind that I have been making another video with the preposition a to express transportation. The main difference between the two is, as you probably noticed, with the preposition en, I mean the one that we had in this video, we use it when we are inside in the vehicle. We will use the preposition a when we are not, okay? So just take the time to watch the other video covering the preposition a with the transportation and it will be clear for you, okay? In this lesson, we'll see the preposition a to express transportation. So this lesson is going along with this other, with the preposition en to express transportation, because in most of the cases you will use en when you are inside or in the vehicle. If you're not, then you will have to use the preposition a, okay? And we'll see, I mean, the three main uses of this preposition with transportation right now. By bicycle, à vélo. À vélo, à vélo. By motorcycle, à moto. À moto, à moto. By foot, à pied. À pied, à pied. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net, okay? And then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.